The question is that an organic compound has the molecular formula CXHYOZ, where X, Y and Z are whole numbers. The reaction of this particular compound has been given, that CXHYOZ reacts with oxygen molecule. It gives carbon dioxide and water. So now we have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. Now let's write the chemical equation first. The chemical equation is 2CXHYOZ plus 15O2. It gives 10CO2 plus 12H2O. So this is the chemical equation. Now we know that chemical equation should be the balanced chemical equation. So balanced chemical equation means the number of atoms of similar elements should be equal in both the side. Both the side means this is the reactant side and the right hand side is the product side. So this is reactants which are in the left hand side, and the compounds which are in the left hand side, right hand side, these are the products. So now, according to the balanced chemical equation, the number of atoms of the similar elements should be equal in both the sides. So now, here in the reactant side, is the left hand side and the product side is the right hand side. So now the carbon atoms in the reactant side is number of carbon atoms reactant side is 2 into X. 2 is the coefficient and X is the subscript. So here the carbon atoms are present only one molecule, that is in the CXHYOZ. So now 2X should be equal to the number of the carbon atoms present in the product side. Now number of the carbon atoms present in the product side is only in carbon dioxide molecule. So here the coefficient is 10 and the subscript is 1. So that means here we can say that 2x equal to 10. So x equal to 5. Now number of hydrogen atoms. Now number of hydrogen atoms present in the reactant side is 2 into y. So 2 is the coefficient and y is the subscript. Now number of hydrogen atoms present in the product side is only in H2O molecule. So number of hydrogen atoms in the product side is 12 is coefficient and 2 is the subscript. So that means 2y equal to 24. So y equal to 12. Now number of oxygen atoms. Now number of oxygen atoms, the reactant side, there are two molecules. One is CXHY OZ plus O2 molecule. So total number of oxygen atoms are 2Z plus the coefficient is 15 and subscript is 2. So that means 15 into 2. That is equal to the number of oxygen atoms present in the product side. Now again in the product side we can see the number of oxygen atoms present in the two molecules, two different molecules. One is carbon dioxide and another one is water molecule. So to find out the number of total oxygen atoms present in the product side, we have to multiply the coefficient 10 with the subscript, that is for the carbon dioxide molecule, and for the water molecule we can see that coefficient is 12, subscript is 1. So that means total it is 32. So now 2Z plus 30 equal to 32. So then Z equal to 1. So now the value of X is 5, value of Y is 12 and Z is 1. Then the formula of CXHYOZ is C5H12O1. Usually we don't write the 1 subscript. So that is, if we write the balanced chemical equation now, it will be 15O2 giving you 10 CO2 plus 12 H2O. So now if we check the number of total carbon atoms in both sides, we can see the carbon atoms in the reactant side is 5 into 2, 10, and the product side it is 10. Number of hydrogen atoms in the reactant side 2 into 12, 24. Hydrogen 12 into 2, 24. Number of oxygen atoms 2 into 1, 2 plus 15 into 2, 30. So 30 plus 2, 32. And product side it is 10 into 2, 20 plus 12 into 1, 12. So that is 32. So now we can see these are the correct balanced chemical equation. Thank you.